Clock, a cricket story by P.G. Wodehouse. My family is a great anxiety to me. There is my brother Bob. For instance, he's much better now, for I have worked very hard on him. And even father when my eye is not on him. There was that business of the right of way. For example, I had been away for a visit to Aunt Flora. The motor was waiting for me at the station. I sat in front because I wanted to talk to Philip. The chauffeur, he always tell me what has been happening. Philip said, rare excitement in the village is about that their right of way. Then he told me the story. Beyond the wood at the end of our lake is a field. The villagers have always used it as a shortcut. Father didn't mind.
Father did not mind.
Father did not mind. He after letting them to do it for years, has suddenly said, "My must not enclose the field." And now the villager said that they had a legal right to use the path, and father said no, and that he had a right to stop them. Father had always been so nice. The villager then Philip explained further. And I understand Mr. Morris, he said. He is the butler. Mr. Morris, Mr. Rastrick keep on telling the colonel he was being put upon and must stand up for his rights. Then I saw the whole thing. Because I knew Mr. Rastrick, he has a private school near London. My brother Bob says that he seems to look on our house as a branch of his private school. I made up my mind that I stopped it. I thought great deal about it as I dressed for dinner. When I got down to the dining room, I found Father and Mr. Rastrick there. I said, How do you do, Mr. Rastrick? Mr. Rastrick started on cricket. The young fellow said he have no notion of what I call real cricket. I had been trying all time to find some way of settling this quarrel between father and the village. Now it came to me all of a sudden. I said, Father, I thought of a way settling the right of waiting. I know they have not any business in the field. Really, still you always let them go through it. I said, why not get up much to decide it, Father? It would be fun if they win let them have the right of pay. And if we win, you could do what you like. I wish could Father. Father loved this idea. Excellent, he cried it. Those
Does not.
does not matter to me. What whether they go through the field or not, it's only
The principal.
the principle of the team. I'll arrange it tonight. Now let me see, he said about our team.
So, after reading this time, ang gagawin naman natin is i-describe ko or sasabihin ko yung meaning and then sasagutin mo siya kung ano yung sasagutin. Meron kang pagpipilian dito which is the quarrel, true, field, excitement, principle, instance, anxiety, chauffeur, notion. So, babasahin ko yung mga meaning nito and then pipiliin mo dito kung nasaan yung tamang sagot. Okay? Hindi ko na siya ikakalat. Ikaw na lang magkahanap ng ganito. So, wait lang ha.
Hirap.
Hindi yan mahirap. Okay lang yan. So, ito. Basahin ko yung meaning ha. So, number 1. A feeling worried, nervous, or afraid. A feeling worried, nervous, or afraid. Yan. Ano yan?
Instance.
Okay. So, ang sa number 1 is ang sagot dito, anxiety. So, this time is ano yung sinagot mo?
Instant.
Mali. So, ano ulit yung feeling worried, nervous, or afraid?
Anxiety.
Anxiety. So, ito yung sagot niya, anxiety. Pero sa number 1 is, hindi niya nakuha. So, sa number 2 naman tayo. A strong feeling of happiness or thrill. A strong feeling of happiness or thrill.
Notion.
Notions. So, ang sagot niya is, ang sagot mo?
Notion.
Notions. Hindi mo na nakuha. Ang sagot is excitement. A strong feeling of happiness or thrill ay
No, I excitement.
excitement.
Wait,
Okay, number 3. An example of something. Example of something. An example of something. So, ano yan?
chauffeur.
Chauffeur is
Good.
wrong. So, ang sagot dito is, hanapin mo, bibigyan kita ng chance. An example of something.
Third. Mali na
Hindi. Instance.
Diba?
Instance. So, number 4. So, a person who drives a car for someone. A person who drives a car for someone. Ano to?
Chauffeur.
Chauffeur? Tama. Sa wakas. So, ang chauffeur is the person who drive a car for someone. So, number 5 naman tayo. A sport played with the bat and ball. Oh. A sport played with bat and ball. Oh, ano yung binasa mo kanina? A sport played with bat and ball.
Notion.
Notion. Ang sagot is sige lang.
Field.
Field. A sport. Field yung sagot niya. So, ang sagot dito is cricket. A sport played with bat and ball.
Walang cricket.
Walang cricket ba?
Walang.
Meron. Hanapin natin. Yun, may lumipad kanina. May lumipad kanina.
Wala, yun na.
Ano yun? Walang bakit walang cricket? Ay, dito, sorry. So,
Ay, ikat. Ulitan.
okay lang, okay lang.
Okay na yun.
So, cricket, sorry, wala sa kon. Pero, cricket ang sagot doon, hindi field. So, next. Number 6. A group of crowd of people.
Wait lang. Saan na yun?
Hindi, mali. Wala siya. Mali. Wala, mali siya. Ideas or beliefs about something. Ideas or belief about something. True? Hindi. Ideas or belief about some things.
Ano ba talaga?
Meron dyan yon. Binabasa mo kanina yon. Ano yan? Pag may sagot ka is itaas mo.
Ito ba?
Anong basa mo dito?
Principle.
Principle. Principle is wrong. Ang sagot dito is notions. Asan yung notions natin?
Nawawala.
Hindi mo sa akin. Notions, anxiety, excitement, cricket. Cricket, nahawak mo.
Ay.
Chauffeur.
Yan.
Oh, 4 na lang ba yan nandyan sa'yo? Luma pa ng ano. An open land used for sport or farming. An open land used for sport or farming.
Quarrel.
Quarrel, sure ka? An open land used for sports or farming. Land. An open land used for sport or farming. From the word land.
Saan ba? Ito.
Sige, land. From the word land. Pakita mo. Ano yan?
Field.
Field. Field is correct.
May nagturo sa akin.
So, number 8 na tayo. Going from one side to another side. Going from one side to another side. Ano yon? Ano yan?
Quarrel.
Quarrel is incorrect. True. True. Ang tawag sagot is true. Ang ibig sabihin ng true is going from one side to another side. So next, a basic rule or belief that guides action. A basic rule of belief that guides action. Tama. Ano yung basa dito?
Principle.
Principle. So last but not least, an argument or fight. An argument or fight.
Quarrel.
Alright. So, thanks.